students, integration of x dx upon cube root of x plus 1 minus square root of x plus 1. You have to find the integration of this function. Okay, what is the function? Integration of x dx upon cube root of x plus 1 minus square root of x plus 1. Let us see here in this format, whenever you have powers, I told you whenever you have powers, you have to take that x is equal to t power s, where s is the LCM of m and p. But you think that, sir, this is not in this formation. See here, whatever is there, you have a powers nth root, square root. That time you can use this formula easily, it will work. So what I do here, the LCM of 3 and 2. What is the LCM of 3 and 2? 3 and 2. That is 6. 6 is the LCM. So what I do here, I can take this x plus 1. X plus 1 is t power 6. According to that rule, we can take this one. According to this rule, here x is x plus 1 there. So t power 6 we can take. So according to this, we can take as t power 6. Now do the differentiation of this one. Differential for what is the x differentiation is x dx is equal to, this is 6 t power 5 dt. So we can replace x dx. See, the dx is 6 t power 5 dt. Okay, let us see here what we do here now. Let's see here, the question is become changed. How it will be changed? If x is this one, so x value will be t power 6 minus 1. Because you have on the numerator x extra, but we have dx here. Dx I can change here. Dx I can change as 6 t power 5 dt. But x is not changed. I have to change everything in terms of dt. So when I change in terms of dt, then everything should be in t terms. So what I do here, the x value I can express this one as the x is equal to t power 6 minus 1. The plus 1 is transferred to the right side. So what I am going to get this question is, now this is remodified into another format, that x can be written as t power 6 minus 1 and dx can be written as 6 t power 5 dt divided by, and this one, look at here, this one I can write as, what I can write this one, t power 6, correct? T power 6 to the power of, this is can be written as 1 by 3 minus t power 6 to the power of 1 by 2. As you know this, we can write as x plus 1 as t power 6. So x plus 1 I wrote as t power 6. So you can cancel it. What I am getting here is, we are going to get, this one is integration of, I can write as t power 6 minus 1 into, I can write as 6 t power 5 dt divided by, this is cancelled 2 times and this is cancelled 3 times. So I can write as t square minus t cube I can write this. Okay, in these both questions I can see that t square can I take common here. T square I can take common. So if I take t square common, integration of t power 6 minus 1 into 6 t power 5 dt divided by, here I am taking t square common. When I take t square common, here I get as 1 minus t, it will become. So this t square can cancel this one. Okay, you get, this question is modified as integration of t power 6 minus 1 into 6 will take outside and you get as t cube dt upon, we can write this one as 1 minus t. If I take out minus common, t minus 1. What is my target here? To cancel this one. Okay, you know already a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. Like that, whenever you have a t power 6 minus 1, this is can be expressed in these factors, because the factors of this you should know. If you know these factors, we can split this one and t minus 1 will be cancelled. Then the integration will become very simple and easy. For this, there are 2-3 methods. I can explain you one method, that is called synthetic division method. And then I will substitute here. Let us solve this. This is solve this.
Start.
So here what I am going to do is I am going to simplify this one. So like we use the synthetic division method, you can use the synthetic division method here. So this is what we have, t power 6 minus 1. Okay, and we have here t minus 1. So t minus 1. You know, this is not the denominator, the power of the numerator is more than the denominator power. So this is an improper fraction. So that's the reason we have to divide this with this. So you have to divide this one. You know, in 8th class, 9th class, 10th class you learn how to divide this one with this one. That you can do, or I can do, is the simplest form is, that is synthetic division method. Either you can go by the synthetic division method, or this one simply you divide it. Okay, you can divide simply. That's up to you. It depends on you how to do it. So if I divide this one is, the coefficient of this one is 1. Okay, the coefficient of t power 6 is 1, and the coefficient of t power 5, there is no t power 5, there is no t power 4, there is here 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, see here, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? So there you have t power 6 over t power 5 over t power 5, t power 4, t power 3, t square, t, then you have a constant. And I know simply that is t is equal to 1 is the solution of this one. T is equal to 1, we can see, is the solution. What is the synthetic division method rule? You take here 0 here, take the 0 here. Add 1 plus 0, how much? 1. Multiply 1 once, and whatever you multiply carry over here. And add this one, that will be getting 1. Multiply this one, you are getting 1. And you will get here carry 1. Multiply this one, 1. Carry here 1. Multiply this one, 1. And you get here 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 ones are 1. Okay. And carry here is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. And you get 0 remainder. It means this is what you get here. This is the constant one. Like here, this is t term, this is t square, this is t cube, t power 4, t power 5. This can be expressed as, this is the factor of t minus 1, correct? This is the factor of t minus 1. And this coefficient, this is t power 5. T power 5 plus, t power 4 plus, t power 3 plus, t square plus, t plus 1 will be the formation of this one. So how we can write this one? 6 into this minus also taken out here. Integration of, I get as this part is t minus 1 into t power 5 plus t power 4 plus t power 3 plus t square plus t plus 1 upon, you get as t minus 1, and this is a dt, and you have into t cube, into you have t cube even, this is into t cube, you have into t cube, so t cube into dt, that is on the numerator. Okay, don't think this is in denominator, it is on the numerator. T minus 1 cancel out. Now what is remain is t cube there, multiply t cube inside, I get as minus 6 integration of t cube into t power 5, that is t power 8 dt, okay, t power 8 dt plus integration of t power, this into this t power 4 into t power 3, that is t power 7 dt plus integration of, if I multiply this into this, t power 6 dt plus integration of t power 6 over t power 5 dt plus integration of t power 5 over, this is t power 4 dt plus, and t cube ones are t cube, integration of t cube dt will get the answer. So if I do this one, what I am going to get this one is minus 6. This answer is minus 6. Integration of x power n is x power n by n plus 1. According to that rule, t power 9 by 9 plus 1. That is 10, correct? And here we can write as t power 8. This is 8 upon 8 plus 1, that is 9. And this is here t power 7 upon 7 plus plus t power 6 upon 6 plus t power 5 upon t power 5 upon 5 plus t power 4 upon 4 plus c. What was the t we considered? And this is whole into minus 6. This whole into minus 6 is the answer. So what was the t we supposed? T is nothing but, what was t here? Yes, yeah, this is what we considered as x plus 1 is equal to t power 6. So then t I can write as t is nothing but x plus 1 to the power of 1 by 6. So t is nothing but x plus 1 to the power of 1 by 6. So wherever t is there, that place I can write as x plus 1 whole power 1 by 6. Substitute here, that will be your final answer. Okay, hope you understand.